Gerard, Charlie. We ain't even close to being done yet. It's just only the beginning. Yeah. One day you gon' see me rap shit in Boston. Others may hate cause I'm hustling, Rick Rossin. Brothers take the flow, tryna grow, kinda bossy. I'm on a KO, still the show, so they all see. We not just beings, we're offspring, channeling through the Odyssey. But your Odyssey, you're breaking the trio, tearing down the prophecy. Ain't good for your heart, it Cheerios constantly. I'm the jester from the root of ancestors. Deep down in the center, split my brain, ears and heart like a trimester. Broke the chandelier, now it's dark. I have a request, sir, can you please shine some light in the subject? I know we keep dissing in public, but one day I'ma make my mama proud. Today I'ma keep rapping, surpassing clouds. Nowadays people just ain't bumping crowds, so let me explain why I should be holding the crown. One day I'ma make my mama proud. Today I'ma keep rapping, surpassing clouds. Nowadays people just ain't bumping crowds, so let me explain why I should be holding the crown. One way to test the levels, bless the devil so they settle for nothing little. Shipping vessels is crunch time away from Nestle. Let's not sugarcoat, I'm on a business plan, looking for the middleman. Brady to the Edo man, waiting to explode like the Minutemen. Cause I'm stopped watching to see how long you can stop watching me from the car rocking. I'm just caught bombing the waves, looking